Hey everyone, it's Logan Molinex with Sociallyverse. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you a quick video of me editing this website. So here we have Parker's Auto Detailing, and I've sped up this video just to kind of speed up the process so it's not a 15 or 20 minute long video that you have to watch. But overall, here we are on the Sociallyverse platform, going ahead and editing the site, checking it out, and just making some general changes to customize this site to how we may like it and how this customer may like it, as well as be optimized to get conversions. In this example, it would be for book now or get in touch for calling Parker's Auto Detailing to get a detailing quote. So here we have the about page. We're just running through the website, making sure we're double checking everything, make sure it looks good. So here you can see I'm going to go ahead and add another button, and I'm going to go ahead and customize that button color to make it stand out a little bit different, and also make sure it's not the same color as the button right next to it. So go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to adjust the picture sizing and the text sizing. Going to go ahead and check that, see how it looks. So whenever I'm building a website on the Sociallyverse platform or any other platform in general, I like to always preview and view my changes live. So I'll save very often, and then I'll go and check the live website to see how it looks on a live device. So here I am, I'm changing some of this text, maybe capitalizing it just because I think it stands out a little bit better. Once again, I'm going to go through here and customize the buttons. So instead of making it learn more details, I'm going to go ahead and make it just learn more to shorten it up, as well as add a book now button in here. What I'm going to go ahead and do is change the button colors to make sure they stand out as well, with the overall button color and then the text color for the button, as well as when you hover on the button, I'm going to make an animation so you can actually tell that you are specifically hovering over that button and gonna specifically click that button. So next, here we have it where we're just kind of, once again, going in and customizing these buttons and adjusting all the paddings. And then once I have done this, what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy those and then basically essentially put them to the two other sections here on this specific website, just so the content matches and it aligns and it is equal. So anytime we're designing, I try to make the page look equal, because you don't want one side to kind of look heavy and then the other side light, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of that and adjust some of the text. I'm going to go also add in a little bit more to this third section just to even it up a little bit. Once I've done with that, once again, I'm going to go ahead and capitalize this main statement that we're trying to put for this specific section, so that way it stands out and users know, oh, this is what they're talking about for this specific section on that website. So go ahead and adjust that, and I'm going to go ahead and adjust and hide some of these blocks so I can make sure my design looks good. So here we have that. Once again, I'm going into previewing it to see how it looks live. Do this very often. Now I'm going to go in and make sure I customize all of this. I want to add some galleries. So I'm going to add some different images for this specific business, because obviously showcasing your actual images and your work and just inside of your business is a good way to kind of help people get at ease around your services or your products that you offer, when you actually showcase real life examples and show people how your business helped and what you guys do and the results you guys get. So having a gallery on your website is important. So once again, that's just all I'm doing here, going through, adding all those photos, rearranging them to maybe put the ones I think look best at the top. So as you can see, and now I'm going to go ahead and add a header inside of there. And once again, I'm going to go ahead and preview it, and then I'm going to go ahead and jump down to the frequently asked questions section and delete all of these unused sections, and then as well as make sure I go down to the footer on this website and edit that. So whenever I'm building a website, I like to work top down. So generally I'll start from the top and then obviously build my way down the page and edit as I go. Once again, still just customizing some of the text here in the footer. So I thought this gray could stand out a little bit better if it was in this aqua blue that the customer has for their specific brand. So what I'm essentially doing here is just going ahead and changing those colors, adjusting some of the padding and the sizing on this footer to make it look a little bit better. And boom, I already think having that aqua blue color already makes the footer stand out so much more. And you can obviously see the call to actions for call, email, where we serve, obviously right on the footer, since it is in that aqua blue. Once again, going ahead and previewing the site as I'm building. Now I'm going to go ahead, back up the page. So once I've built down the page, I build back up the page. So I review it, make any final adjustments for design that I think should happen, and then we're done.